Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, March the 26th, 2022. Yes, it's weekend. I've already solved one puzzle in this edition, the Sudoku. 3 stars. 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic one and the binary one. And it's time for the binary puzzle. This will be number 4316. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah, I think we need to compare. Yes. Oh, almost the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10. Oh, 11, yes. This row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Need to compare again. This row and that row. Empty box. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah, we need to compare again this row and that row. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, and between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Great. Binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in for today, Tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.